Hello and welcome to our mathematics session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the questions of exercise 3.4, question number 2 onwards. Because in the previous video, we have already discussed up to question number 1. So let's see what is the question first. Pair of linear equations, exercise 3.4, question number 2 onwards. The question is, 5 years ago Noor was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Noor will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noor and Sonu? Look at 5 years ago Noor was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Noor will be twice as old as Sonu. How old Noor and Sonu? Here the variables are unknown quantities are age of Noor and age of Sonu. We don't know the ages of both the persons here, Noor and Sonu. So let us consider that age of Noor is this, age of Sonu is this. Unknown quantities are considered as taken as the variables. Okay. So unknown quantity, age of Noor and age of Sonu, we are going to consider. Let the present age of Noor be X years. Present age of Sonu be Y years. We have considered present age of Noor as X and present age of Sonu as Y. Okay. After that, now conditions. There are two conditions. The first condition is 5 years ago Noor was thrice as old as Sonu. So according to question, 5 years ago. According to question, 5 years ago, age of Noor was thrice as old as Sonu. Say thrice as old as Sonu. So age of Sonu. Now look at, let us consider your age today. Today your age is 15 years or 16 years, right? Say for example 15 years. So 5 years ago, what was your age? You will subtract 5 years from today's age. So 15 years minus 5 years, it will be 10 years. Same in the case of Sonu and Noor. 5 years ago their ages, their present age are considered as X and Y, okay, respectively. Now 5 years ago, age of Sonu will be, present age is X minus 5, okay. যেহেতু তোমার present age 15 years ৰ পৰা তুমি 5 years ago বুলি কলে -5 কৰিব লাগিব, তেতিয়া তুমি 10 years পাবা। তেনে একে Sonur present age x ৰ পৰা 5 years ago বুলি কৈছে x -5 কৰিব লাগিব, right? Then this side 3 times of age of Sonu. Present age of Sonu is y. 5 years ago it will be y minus 5. Is that okay? Now it is x minus 5. It is 3 times of y minus 15. So you can bring it this it is said to solve by elimination method. So let us bring this 3y, shift this 3y this side. There is already x minus 3y. This 5 is shifted that it will be minus 10. Let us make it as equation number 1. This is the first equation, okay. Also the second condition is given. What is the condition? The condition say 10 years later, that means after 10 years. After 10 years. After 10 years. What is say? Age of Noor will be twice as old as Sonu. Twice as old as Sonu. So 2 times of age of Sonu. Age of Sonu. Age of Noor after 10 years. Present age of Noor is X years. After 10 years, his age will be, yes, X plus 10. So it will be X plus 10, 2 times. Age of Sonu. Present age of Sonu is Y years. After 10 years, his age will be Y plus 10. Is that okay? So if you multiply 2 times Y plus 10, you will get, can I rub this upper part? You can pause the video, then write it then. Okay, if we multiply, you will get, this is X plus 10. X plus 10 is equals to 2 times Y. 2 into Y will be 2 times Y plus 2 into 10 will be 2 times 10, that is 20. So it will be X minus 2Y. We are going to shift it this side. So minus 2Y. 10 will be shifted that side. It will be 20 minus 10. That is 10. So X minus 2 times Y is equals to 10. We can write direct. Okay. This is considered as equation number 2. Now we have the 2 equations. Equation 1 is X minus 3Y equals to minus 10. This is the first equation. And the second equation is X minus 2Y is equals to 10. That is the second equation. Okay. Now what to do? We have to eliminate any one of these 2 variables. We can eliminate very easily X. Look at, there is X. The coefficient of X is 1. Nothing is there means 1. And there is also X. The coefficient of X is nothing is there means 1. So we can eliminate this. Both are having same sign, okay, identical sign, that is positive. So what to do? We need to subtract. I said in the previous video also, if we have the same sign of that part of the variable which is to be eliminated, okay, if they have got the same sign, we need to subtract it. If they have got different sign, then we have to add them. Okay, so same sign, we will perform subtraction. মই কৈছিলো যে যদি যেটো কোয়ান্টিটি আমি এলিমিনেট কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো, সেই কোয়ান্টিটিটোৰ সন্মুখত যদি পজিটিভ সাইন থাকে দুইটাতেই বা নেগেটিভ সাইন থাকে দুইটাতেই, মানে সেম সাইন থাকে, একই সাইন থাকে, তেতিয়ালে we need to perform subtraction. And if they have this different sign, one is positive and the other is negative, okay, then we need to perform addition, then they will get eliminated. So very easy. Let us subtract the first equation from the second equation. That means equation 2 minus equation 1 we are going to do. Okay, equation 2 minus equation 1. So left hand side part of equation 2 is X minus 2Y. As we have written equation 2 first, so we will write the left hand side part of equation 1 minus the left hand side part of the equation. That was equation 2. Left hand side part of equation 1 will be X minus 3Y. Now right hand side part of equation 2 is 10 minus what we are going to do? We are going to subtract. Okay, we are going to subtract. So minus what we are going to subtract? We are going to subtract minus 10. So there are 2 negative sign. Okay, be careful. Now let us remove the bracket. Jetiai bracket ami remove kori dim yar pora, what will happen? This minus will be multiplied with these quantities. Okay, upper first part the same thing, second part logot x minus into x is minus x, minus into minus is plus, 3 times y is equals to 10, minus into minus is plus 10. Is that okay? So in this way we have here x, positive x and negative x. Can we cancel this positive x and negative x? Definitely we can cancel. Then what is left then? Negative 2y and positive 3y. Ki hobo negative 2y and positive 3y. So that is 3y minus 2y. 3 times y minus 2 times y. 3 y pra 2 y minus korilu. So only y will be left, and that side, that is 10 plus 10 is 20. What was y? Yes, y was the age of Sonu. So present age of Sonu is found as 20. Okay, now we are going to find out the value of x. Okay, value of x will be the age of Noor. So value of x will be the age of Noor. How to find out that? We can substitute the value of y in any one of the given equations. Given equation means equation 2 or equation 1. So let's substitute the value of x in any one of the equations. So equation 2 we have here very easy equation. So we can substitute the value of y here so as to get the value of x. So I'll write putting y equals to 20 in equation number 2. What is 2? What is the equation 2 we have? That is x minus 2 times y. 2 times y. What is y we have? Y is 20. 2 times y. Instead of writing y, I am replacing y by its value. Is equals to 10. Is equals to 10 is there. So x, this will be 40, right? 2 times 20 is 40. So minus 40 is equals to 10. This negative 40 goes that side, it will give you positive 40. So 40 plus 10, that is 50. So x is 50. We have got the age of Sonu. X was age of Noor, sorry. Age of Noor. Age of Noor is 50 years and age of Sonu is 20 years. So the conclusion we have written as, therefore present age of Noor is 50 years. Present age of Sonu is 20 years. Okay, so these are the present ages of Noor and Sonu. This way we have solved this question. The next question, what is there? Let's see. Okay, let's take the next question. What is the question? Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Okay, we have a two-digit number. It may be anything. Suppose maybe 18. Maybe 27, maybe 45, maybe 36. Okay, whatever it may be. There are two digits. Look at two digits, 1 and 8. The first number, there are units number is 8, tens number is 1. So if you add 1 and 8, you will get 9. There are 7 is the units number and tens number is 2. If you add 2 and 7, then total is 9. There is also 4 plus 5. If you add, the total is 9. 3 plus 6, the total is 9. It may be any of the numbers. Okay, so we have a two-digit number. If you add the digits, jodi tumi digit duta add kora, unit place or 10 place or digit ke na jodi sidha add kori diya, you get 9. This is the condition given, okay? But we don't know exactly what is the number, whether it is 18, 27, 45, 36, etc. Whatever it may be. Okay, তো আমি কি কৰিম ইয়াক অকমান বেসিক কথা জানাৰ দৰকাৰ আছে ফাৰ্স্টতে as you have learned in your law classes that how to expand a given number. Suppose a two-digit number is given to you and how to expand the number. Look at how to expand. Suppose we have a number 72. We have a number 72, okay? How to expand it? Yes, its units position is 2, then tens place is 7. So, tens value multiplied with 10 plus units value multiplied with 1. These are the positions, tens place, ones place. In one place, what is there? There is 2. In tens place, what is there? There is 7. Okay. If the unit place is x and tens place is y, then what is the number? Units place x, units place x, 1 into x plus tens place, what is that? Y. What is the number then? 10 into tens place there is y. Then what is the number? 10y plus x will be the number. Got it? In considering the variables, how can you write a two-digit number? Considering the variable, we are writing the number in this format. Okay, if x is the units place and y is the digit of tens place, then it can be written as the number form as units place there is x plus 10y. Tens place there is y. We cannot write xy directly or yx directly because when we express This way, it means that x and y are multiplied. But actually, when we write 72, can you say that 7 and 2 are multiplied with one another? Of course not. They are not multiplied. But if you write the same in the case of variables and in this format, then it is directly multiplied. So we cannot write in this form. If we are asked to write a number using the variables, suppose units place there is x, tens place there is y, then the number will be units place x, tens place y, number will be 10y plus x. Okay? So this way we will write. You have learned how to write, how to expand a given number in your lower classes, maybe in class 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, etc. So let us consider the digit in the units place b or ones place b x and digit in the tens place b y. Let, or this is our question number 3. Let the digit in ones place be x, the digit in tens place be y. Therefore, the number. What is the number? If units place there is x and tens place there is y, then the number will be 10y plus x. This is the number, okay? Now the conditions. Let us apply the conditions. What are the conditions? If you add the digits, that means if you add x and y, you will get 9. If you add x and y, you will get 9. According to condition, according to question, x and y when you add, it will give you what? Yes, it will give you 9. This is the first condition, okay? And second condition is, if the number is altered. No, that was not the condition. Let's see, 9 types of the number maybe. Yes, the condition, second condition is 9 times of the given number is, what is the given number? This is the number. It's 9 times. That means, also I am writing here also 9 times of this number, 9 times of this number. This is the number, it's 9 times. That means 10y plus x. 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Okay. 9 times of this number, a number to 9 গুণ 9 times কার সমান হবে 2 times কার সমান এই ডিজিট দুটাৰ পজিশন চেঞ্জ কৰিলে যেটো নাম্বার আমি পাম সেই নাম্বাৰটোৰ দুগুণৰ সমান হ'ব 2 times হ'ব. That means 10x plus y. Got it what I say? 9 times of this number, a number to 9 times মানে এই নাম্বাৰটোক 9 এৰে মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলে যেটো নাম্বাৰ হ'ব এই নাম্বাৰটোৰ ডিজিট কেটা উল্টা পুল্টা কৰিলে পজিশন কেটা চেঞ্জ কৰি দিলে যেটো হ'ব তাৰ 2 টাইমছ ৰ সমান হ'ব. So the same is done here. This is the condition given. Now let us multiply 9 times of 10y, that is 90y, plus 9 times of x is 9x. 2 times of 10x is 20x plus 2y. Clear? Now let us bring this side, those all apart. Then 9x minus 20x. Or 90y minus 2 times y, 20x minus 9 times x. Understood what I did? মই 2y এফালে লৈ নিলো আৰু 9x হিফালে লৈ নিলো. So 90y minus 2 times y will give you 88 times y and 20x minus 9x will give you 11x. Because 88y is equals to 11y. Both are divisible by 11. So if you divide it by 11, then it will be 8 times y and it will be only x. Need not to make any question because we have to solve these questions by elimination method. So let us bring this. Shift this 8y that side. 8y down. So what will it be? This side there will be 0, that side x minus 8y. Or x minus 8y is equals to 0. That can be done. Okay? Let it be ax minus x plus 8y is equals to 0. This is equation number 2. Okay. I think this way it will be easier. Now what to do? We have got the two equations. The first equation is x plus y is equals to 9. Pratham equation to x plus y is equals to 9. This is the second equation is minus x plus 8y is equals to 0. Okay, sir? So what to do? Very clearly, this is positive x, this is negative x. Coefficient 1 1 the positive and negative so very easily it can be eliminated. Alright, so how to eliminate them? Simply by adding x will be eliminated. So let us add equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2 will give us, what is the right hand side part of the, left hand side part of the equation 1? That is x plus y. Then left hand side part of equation 2, that is minus x plus 8y is equals to left hand side, right hand side part is 9. This side there is 0, so plus 0. Just remove the brackets. There will be no change. If you remove the brackets, there will be no change. X plus y plus into minus, it will be minus. Plus into minus, it will be minus x plus into plus 8y is equals to 9. Negative x and positive x, can we cancel? Yes, of course. Negative x, positive x, if you subtract, then it will give 0. 9 y plus 8y, positive y plus 8 times y. Total, there will be 1 time y and 8 times y. There will be 9 times y is equals to 9. 9 and y, they are multiplied with one another, and if you shift this 9 that side, then y will be 9 by 9, that is equals to 1. So y equals to 1. Now y is to value 1. If we substitute here in first equation, then what will it be? Yes, x plus y. Y is y value. So x plus 1 is equals to 9. So we will write like this, putting y equals to 1 in equation 1 implies. মই ইয়াতে লিখি দিলো, তলত মোহৰা নাই আৰু। So this will be 1. So x will be, this 1 will be shifted that side. So 9 minus 1, it is 8. So x is 8. Y is 1, x is 8. Therefore the number is, amak to number uliyabo lage. What is the number? Therefore the number is, what was the number? The third line, if you check it, the third line, what you wrote, if you check it, yes. Have you gone through the third line? I hope you have written this all. Third line, if you have gone through, then it is 10y plus x. You have written the third line, the beginning third line of this question, okay? Solution to this question. So x is 8. Y is 1. So let us substitute their values in their respective places. So y is 1 plus 8, x is 8. 10 into 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 is the number. And if you verify the digits when you add 8 plus 1, if you add them, then it will give you 9 also. And also 9 times of 18 will be equals to 2 times of 81. Okay, 9 times of 80 will be 2 times of 81. So that is the solution. Now next question, let's see. It's a very interesting one. Okay, what is the question? Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. It's very interesting. We don't know the exact number of rupees 50 notes and rupees 100 notes. So these are the two unknown quantities, and these two unknown quantities will be considered as now, yes, what? Variable. So let the number of rupees 50 note be. We will write, let, this is question number 4, okay? Let the number of rupees 50 note be X. We have considered that there are X numbers of rupees 50 notes, okay? Then the number of rupees 100 notes be Y. We have considered that there are Y numbers of rupees 100 note. Acha. If I ask you if there is only one number of rupees 50 note, then what is the value? 50 rupees. If there are two numbers of rupees 50 note, then 2 times of 50, that is 100 rupees. Clear? If there are 3 numbers of rupees 50 notes, then 3 into 50, that is 150. If there are 4 numbers of rupees 50 note, 4 into 50, that is 200. Okay, and so on. There is this is also, if there are Y numbers of 100 rupees note, then what is the value? 100 Y. X numbers of rupees 50 notes, what is the value? 50X rupees 50 note. Yeah. According to question, what is said? Meena received total how many notes? Look at the question. Meena received total of, what is the number of notes? Total number of notes. Together it is 25. What is 25? So rupees 50 note X, number of rupees 100 note Y, total numbers X plus Y will be 25. As it is given in the question, that is 25. So simply we can write one equation. According to question, X plus Y, number of rupees 50 note plus number of 100 notes. Total how many notes are there? There are 25 notes. This is the first equation, okay? Then what is the value of X numbers of rupees 50 note? 50X, X numbers of rupees 50 note. So 50X plus Y numbers of rupees 100 note. So 100Y. Total value. What was the amount withdrawn by Meena? That was rupees 2000, right? So this is rupees 50 into X, rupees 100 into Y. Total value was 2000. All these terms are divisible by 50. If you divide them, then it will be 50 times X divided by 50 will give you X. 100Y divided by 50 will give you 2 times Y. 2000 divided by 50 will give you 40. Okay, this is considered as equation number 2. Now let us observe the equations. There is X plus Y and there is X plus 2 times Y. So this is X, this is X. They can be eliminated. Look at, they can be eliminated very easily. How can we? Yes, we need to subtract them because the sign before sign before X are same in both cases. So if we subtract them, we'll get the value of Y. So equation, what we do and how to do equation? Let us subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 minus equation 1 we can do. One can subtract equation 2 from 1 also. I am subtracting equation 2 minus equation 1. That means 1 from 2. Left hand side part of equation 2. First equation 2 is there. So left hand side part of equation 2, that is X plus 2Y minus left hand side part of equation 1, that is X plus Y. This side is 40 minus 25. Remove the bracket. X plus 2Y minus X minus Y is equals to, this will be 15. So positive x, negative x can be cancelled. 2 times y minus y will give you y. Y is equals to 15. So how many rupees 50 notes were there? Yes, there were 15 numbers of rupees 50 note. Okay, and putting y equals to 15 in equation number, any one of the equations you can choose. This is I'm going to take, that is equation 1. So x plus y, what is the value of y? That is 15. Is equals to 25. X will be 15 goes that side. It will be 25 minus 15 is equals to 5. So how many rupees 100 notes are there? There are 5. So 5 into 100 note, that is 500. Then 15 into rupees 50 notes. It is 15 into rupees 50 note. Sorry, it will be 10 only. Yes, it will be 10. X. Oh, no. X was rupees 50 note. So 10 times rupees 50 note is 500 and y is rupees 100. So 15 times rupees 100 is 1500. In all there is 2000. Okay. So our answer is also correct. Y equals to 15, x equals to 10. Therefore, you will write the conclusion. You don't forget to write the conclusion. Therefore, number of rupees 50 notes equals to 10. Number of rupees 100 notes equals to 15. That's it. That is the solution. Okay, thank you. One more question is left, that is question number 5, but we will discuss question number 5 in the next video right now. So to learn the next one, you have to go through the next video.